How to fix the Valorant error 62? There was an error connecting to the platform. So first of all, you just have to go to the search bar, search for run, click on run app here, then in the search bar here, search for services.msc. Click OK. After opening the services windows, you just have to scroll down to find virtual disk. After finding the virtual disk, right click on it, go to properties, check the services name here is VDS. Now if you have manual or disabled here, make sure you have choose the automatic in the startup type here. Click on automatic, click apply and OK. Now close out of here, then go to the start menu and restart your computer. After restarting the computer, hopefully the error problem in Valorant game will be solved. So thank you for watching.